Hello my sisters. Today I recommend to my sisters a dress style haul. This one is for middle age. You can sew it out of linen buckets. The special cotton of this model is that it will have a neck. This neck is a stake. It's got a little bit of a heart and it's going to split here down the side of the shirt. And the body will pull out like 3 floors like this. The hands will be long. Brings out the luxury of decency for my sisters in middle age. Well, now we're together. Go into designing this dress. So this is the prototype that I'm going to use to design. I have a shoulder measurement that is equal to 32. The necklace is 30, the bust is 80. The waist is 64, the butt is 80. And the lower waist length is 35. With these numbers you will measure. Well, I'll have a different black number for everyone. And in the video, I have instructed you. If you don't know how to measure, watch the video clip. The first step is to take the length of this long dress to the heel according to the length of you. Now I'm going to draw the upper body of this dress. On the top of the dress we will design as follows. This shirt is going to the length of the upper body, it will go through the lower part. Is 4 more gasoline, my waist here is equal to 35. I added 4 more gas. You will get the length. The top of the shirt stopped around the corner. Then you'll take it shoulder to shoulder. Shoulder divided by 2 is 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. Then you'll take it through her. Dividing 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Then you will take the shoulder. 16 and then you're down to 4. In the neck, dividing 5 by 6 is here. This number 4 is the number that's measuring down my shoulders. I connected in. Then lower the chest, you will take the chest, divide by 5 plus 2. Chest is 80 divided by 5 plus 2 is equal to 18. I took down a street that's 18. And then we build a perpendicular line across it. Then you'll lower your breasts. Is chest divided by 4 plus 2? 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. I took a root of 22. Then I'll take the waist. Here, you can divide the waist by 4. You plus me are 1 equals 64 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 17. I measured the lower part. You measure from here down here. And we'll have a horizontal path for the lower part. EO. And then this is the long part of the extra shirt. Then from this part you just took the lower waist. Is equal to 17. Then I connected. And this part. Instead of you building a perpendicular line then down, you point a line. And the sisters, let me be 1.5 inches. Ha 1.5 this place 1.5. And then I'm going to put a perpendicular line down here. Back up 2 petrol split in half. Let's split it in half again. You can draw this armpit line. Then that's done from the upper body. Now I'm going to draw for the old part. This neck, you will back up to 2 millimeters of gasoline. And you're going to smell it down the back of the neck. I'll connect this part here. I painted the old part of Tim. but to Tim's neck. Here, you have to step back an inch. You guys stop. So we're going to start with Tim's neck. You go down there. Then we'll get the shape of the neck like ha. Say through. Then we're done with the body first. After that, finish the body first. Then you will do it. The back body. In the next section, from here you will set it up perpendicular. Take it up in parallel. 2 millimeters later from here, you're going to out the back armpit voice. Let me start with the armpit first. You have 7 more drinks. Here you reduce give me a gasoline of armpit voice. And then here we're going to take to equal shoulders. This part here is to gasoline. Now we're done with the upper body of this dress pattern. Now I cut. And please note that this pattern has no seams. You have to leave the seams when we do it. And we get the body first. The body behind general. After I cut. When you're done like this, you will. And as for the back of my body, I'm going to reduce. For the chest, the back is a gasoline. I took it in. So this is where we're going to get the back body. Later, you will need a gas because this is the road. Must be double. Then you'll get through the body first. I'll cut along the black line of the previous body. And then we'll get the front body here. Then the body before the body after us is done. I'll show you later. Cut the bottom dress. I'm going to measure my armpits. Let me cut the sleeve. I can measure 21 here. I measured it at 20. You will have armpits. The second part is 20. And we're going to cut a piece. The sleeves are here. By taking the lower armpits is equal to chest divided by 10 plus 5. That's equal to 80 divided by 10 plus 5 is equal to 13. 13 here, you take it down. I'll give you 13. Then you'll see that your chest is 20 plus 2. Then I get 4, and I divide by 2 is equal to 20.5. 20.5 here, I'll take that number. 20.5 is here. This is the starting point of 20.5. Then we split it in 2. Here you go up to inches, here you go down 1, here up to. Then I took the length of the sleeve. Then you take it through the door. Long example. In this position, you put the ruler on yourself. I'll add 1.5 to 2. So here I'm going to add 1.5. Here it is 12. Put it in. This is equal to 12. Then I connected this road. Then we split up and cut 5 glasses. 1 and 0.5 will get the sleeve here. And then here you'll get the sleeve part. This hand front hand and this hand back hand. The previous hand, you will Come down, give me some gas. This will be the front hand. This hand, the back. You will get the sleeves here. Front part, back part. Now I'm going to tell you about the part. I'll cut a piece short to show you how to do it. Whether it is short or long, it follows. That way I worked long. It also makes it easier for you to visualize. I will have the previous part and the back body, right front hip, body after. So imagine this for me is the neck of the cloth ha. It's going to be horizontal like this. That's the size of the fabric, and it's going to run all the way across when you buy the fabric. So we're going to fold the fabric in half. Put it in half like this. When you fold it in half, this is the line in half. It will be in the same position as the front. And here's the horizontal part of the front body. You will increase it for me. Once more on the body. For example, the waist here I cut was 17. When you put up, in this part, you are 17. On each side, you will be able to get your money. You withdraw your capital and come back here. We'll get a first floor. Then to the second floor. What you see is the second floor. They will also be able to withdraw capital for the floor. This first one, it's 34 right here, because this is 17. 2 times 17 is 34, so when you cut the second layer, 2, you have to move here 17. I'll give you another 1 times 17. Then you will has a wide. The remaining 17 will be selected for the second floor, and so does the third floor. Then we'll take 17 plus 10, 7 plus 17, 34. If we get 51, you will double the neck raw. And then we'll be able to draw the dip out into 3 layers. We'll get the length. The length of the dress. Take this dress, for example. From top to bottom of the person face to foot is 1 meter. Then you divide that 1 meter into 3 parts. Then each part of it will be b5, b5, and 30, for example, b5, b5, and 30. So on the first floor, we'll take 17 plus. Let's say 17 2 is 34. When folding fabric, and this second floor, you take 34 plus 17. Then we get 51. 51. On the third floor, you take 51. If you add 17, you get 68. So all these numbers, 34, 51, 68. Then you are all folding the cloth in half. You cut the suffering. The length and width of each is b5. The length of this is b5 and the length of this is 30. When you do something, you cut 3 pieces. And you may pull together the same. And the final point is at point 34 is that you'll attach it to the waist. Let's get the dress. You just need to cut it before you cut it. We'll use it together twice as often. For the whole body first and the back body, because here it's twice that. Right hip. On this shirt we will be twice as good. We use it for the front and back. Always ha. Then, I just finished sharing it with my sisters. The part. Well, how do we do it for this dress? I wish for my sisters success. If anything is unknown, comment below and see if you remember. Like to support the channel. Thank you. Hi. See you all.